So I got the Urban Decay Naked Shape Palette, and I want to try it out with you guys. So this says a multitasking palette, creams, mattes, shimmers, glimmers for eyes and beyond. I need to see what it looks like. Packaging. This says slide to open. Ooh, different. These have some really beautiful colors in it. I see this glimmery white, and ooh, I love that already. We have some really nice shimmery brown tones here. We got nice mattes, we got black. This looks very promising. I also like that on the back here, it tells you exactly what everything is. So which ones are creams, mattes, all that kind of stuff. So it says that these right here in the circle are creams. Let's just see the texture here. Let me see this creamy. Oh yeah, that is nice and a creamy. I kind of want to see if I can prime my eyes with this, but I don't know if it's too light. But what the heck, let's try it. Oh yeah, I don't think that's bad at all. I think on my finger it looked lighter than it actually is. Not bad. Let's see how it sets. So I just want to go in with the light shade right here in powder form, just to kind of set the lid so that we can work with the shadows. Just a quick little dusting. And I'm going to go in with this lighter shade here, and I'm going to just start adding dimension to my lid into the crease. Take this darkest shimmer here, this brown, on a flat brush, and I'm going to just add that to the outer corner, kind of like on a diagonal. Just keep packing that color on until it is the darkness that you want. Looks a little crazy right now, looks a little weird. Stay with me. Okay, so before we add anything else, I'm gonna go in with a clean flat brush again, going in to that same light color, and I'm gonna just make sure that this entire lid space here is packed with that color so that it stays nice and crisp and clean like I want it. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm slowly gonna start blending this dark color out and a tiny bit into my crease. Then I'm gonna go in with an angle brush and that same dark shimmery color, and I'm just going to kind of do a liner with it, very, very thin. And then the same for the lower lash line to kind of connect it here. Very easy peasy look. I have to try that shimmery white. I really, really want to try that. So I'm just going to put that on a little brush. It's going to go right in the inner corner. You know how it goes. So pretty. You throw on some mascara and you are good for the day. Oh, wait a minute. Let me use, this is the matte all-nighter from Urban Decay, just to lock me in place. I feel like this is like a really versatile palette because it has these creams in it. That took me like no time at all, but if I wanted to do like a deeper, darker, smokier eye, I could use that black right there and just deepen up that outer corner. I also think that you could probably use these as eyeliners, which is amazing because if you're traveling, you literally only need to bring this and you're done.